Hello students, in my today's session we will discuss further. Your further topic is function. What are the functions? Functions that are inbuilt functions. We will use just name of the function, then we start the brackets and then we give the argument, and after giving the argument we close the bracket. For example, I am writing here a function that is the sum function equal to sum. We have already used this function. Then I have started the bracket and I writing something that is the range from a1 to a2, and then I am closing the bracket. So sum is the function and a1 to a2 range, that is known as the argument to this function. This is the functions. Now there are the various functions in MS Excel. We will use the common function like sum function, average function, maximum function, today function and the minimum function. How we can use these functions, I will tell you these in this video, how we can use this. We have taken example of the previous Excel sheet, monthly expenses on stationery, which I have given you the project work. Now there is the commodity price, quantity, then we calculate the total price here. Now I want the total of all these total prices of the various commodities items. Now total, I want the total of from E4 to E9. This range is E4 to E9. This is the range. So total I am using here. Function always starts from the equal to sign. Then I am using function sum function, then started the brackets. Now I will pass the argument in it. Its argument is E4 to E9. E4, then E9. These were the argument, and sum was the function name, then argument, then close the brackets. Then I am pressing the enter. It will show you the output of this sum function. It has given you the output 349. I am increasing its size for you. This is the total of the E4 to E9 cell values, these cell values. So this sum function is giving us the total of these cell values. Next function, this is the average. What is the average? Total number of items divided by the total values of the how we can calculate the average. Average हम कैसे निकालते हैं? जितनी भी values हमें given है, the sum of the all the values divided by the number of the value. So I am using here this function. This is the average function, inbuilt function. We have to give the name of the average. Similarly, is equal to then average EV. As I am pressing the EV, average वाला formula automatically it is shown. I am clicking here. अब automatically यहाँ से आ गया average. Then again I am average मुझे निकालनी है इन्हीं cells की E4 से E9 की. तो I am calculating and passing the range here. E4 then E9. Clear? Then again I am pressing the enter. You will find this. Now these two functions we have done, the sum function and the average function. Now next function is the maximum function. What is the maximum function? In this maximum function, it will give you the maximum value, which range you will apply to it as an argument. For example, I am using here maximum number क्या है, हम ये range ले रहे हैं E4 to E9. मैं सभी में यही example लूँगी E4 to E9, and within this given range we have to find the maximum value of the number. Then for getting this equal to sign, I am using the max function. Max is used for the maximum, MAX. Then again bracket start, passing the argument जो भी जिस range में से maximum number चाहिए. E4 to E9 I am applying E4, then colon E9. this. Again I am pressing the enter key and you got the maximum number from this range E4 to E9. That was the 120 number. This was the maximum number. Similarly, we can get the minimum number is equal to, then minimum mi, here it is shown here, I am clicking here, it comes here, again E4 colon E9, I am applying. अब ये इस रेंज में से जो सबसे छोटा नंबर होगा, जो सबसे मिनिमम नंबर होगा, it will show that number. Again I am pressing the enter and you got the minimum number from this within this range was 25. So we have done today the functions of sum function, average function, maximum function, minimum function. अब now count function. अगर मुझे कोई रोज कैलकुलेट करनी है, ये वैल्यूज है, बहुत सारी वैल्यूज दैट आर रिटन ऑन वन पेज, आई वांट टू नो द काउंट ऑफ वैल्यूज कि कितनी वैल्यूज है, then I will use the count function. Here I am writing equal to COUNT, count function, and range I am again using the same range E4 colon E9, E4 colon E9. Press. Then number of rows इसमें कितनी थी, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 values were coming between E4 to E9, so it shows the counted value, that is 6, maximum, minimum and the count. And the today's date, if you want to find out the today's date, then you can apply here the today function. Always function start from equal to. I am using today function TODAY and close brackets, and then I press the enter. You can see it has shown here the today's डेट, जो भी आपके मोबाइल में एट प्रेजेंट टुडे डेट है उसने वो डेट आपकी शो कर दी. ऐसे ही आप टुडेज टाइम भी शो कर सकते हो, टुडेज डे भी शो कर सकते हो. जो आपकी बुक्स के अंदर पेज नंबर 23 पे टिप्स में लिखा है मंथ टुडे, अगर टुडे का मंथ ओनली काउंट करना है देन हाउ विल यू यूज, दैट इज मंथ. एक एग्जाम्पल मैं देके बता रही हूँ, बाकी आप खुद करेंगे. मंथ, then I started today in 5. today I have today function पहले आपको पूरा देना है, फिर मंथ वाले फंक्शन की ब्रैकेट क्लोज, देन आई एम प्रेसिंग द एंटर. तो मंथ क्या था इस डेट में से, टुडेज डेट में से मंथ वाज 4. इट हैज शोन यू द वैल्यू ऑफ 4 फ्रॉम दिस. इस डेट में से इसने हमें क्या निकाल के दे दिया, टुडेज मंथ निकाल के दे दिया. तो दीज आर सम फंक्शंस व्हिच वी कैन यूज एज इट इज, दैट आर द इनबिल्ट फंक्शन, एंड सम फंक्शन आर रिटन ऑन द पेज नंबर 23 given in a table. Serial number, then function sum, average, odd, integer, product, round of numbers, square root number, power, if you want to get the mode. तो एज इट इज जो फंक्शन उन्होंने दिए हुए हैं और उसके ब्रैकेट में जो आपको वैल्यूज पास करनी है, दैट इज नोन एज द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, वो पास करने हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम इसको कर सकते हैं. तो आई थिंक दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू दैट हाउ वी कैन यूज द कॉमन फंक्शन. Now our next topic in our book is the function library. Function library means there is the library of the function in MS Excel. Why they have created the library of function? Because it is not possible for us to learn the name of every function. These simple functions we can keep in our mind, like sum function, average function, minimum function, maximum function, count function, date function, day function. These are small functions which we can keep in mind. But there are lot of functions in our life that we are using. So it is not possible for us to learn the name of these functions. So the MS Excel has created a library in which there are the various functions and you can directly use this function. Now we will do that how we can use this function. All these functions are in this formula tab that are here on your ribbon, that is formula clear. Click on this formula tab and you can see there is the function library group, and there are the lot of functions: auto sum function, रिसेंटली यूज्ड फंक्शन जैसे टाइम, सम, एवरेज जो हमने अभी यूज किए थे, फाइनेंशियल फंक्शन, फाइनेंशियल रिलेटेड फंक्शंस, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड फंक्शंस, logical functions if we want to add two or more statements and or if not function, date and time functions, maths trigonometric functions, more function by clicking statistical, engineering, cube, information, various functions we can use here, and all are stored in this function library. In this chapter we will use a simple function, that how you can insert the function in your this Excel sheet. Now I will tell you the steps how you can use these. Then click on the cell where you want to enter that function. I am clicking this cell, that number of that cell is H and here is 18, row is 18 and the column is H, H18 I am clicking. This is my active cell, this is my active cell H18, and how we can insert a function. Then go to the, click on this formula, then go to this function library and click on this insert function. As you will click on this insert function, then a dialog box, this insert function dialog box is open here. Now from here you can search a function that you want. Search for a function. Now in search for a function, suppose I want a time function. So I am writing time related function चाहिए, तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया time function. I don't know what is the name of the time function in MS Excel, so I am just writing this time function. Whatever will be the name, it will show you. Select a category. ये कौन सा, डेट एंड टाइम, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड फंक्शन तो है नहीं, मैथ्स रिलेटेड, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भी नहीं है, लॉजिकल भी नहीं है, टेक्स्ट भी नहीं है, इंजीनियरिंग भी नहीं है. Time times will come under date and time. So category I have selected date and time, but it again optional for you. It is up to you. Or there is or, दोनों में से एक चीज भी अगर आप डाल दोगे तो it will show the function according to that. Now I am clicking on this go button. As I go, and at the upper row you can see here is this time function. We need we need function of this time function. So I select this time function and clicking on OK. Now you see in H18 here the time function is automatically inserted. Now what you will pass in its argument, time में hour, minute and second, we need these in time. तो मैंने hour दिया यहाँ पर 15, minute दिए 35 and second दिए 40. And as I will press the Excel, as I will press it, these argument will be passed on this time function. You can see here time bracket में R आ गया 15, minute is 35 and the second is 40. Then I am pressing OK. As I will press the OK, then the Excel will convert this number with the time format. You can see what will be the time according to the 15 हम किसे बोलते हैं, 3 o'clock कर, and 35 minutes क्या, 35 minutes, and it's a AM and PM. When it is 15 then it comes under the PM. So the time is shown here 3:35 PM. The time function ने आपके given argument के accordingly उसको replace करके proper time show कर दिया. So this is the time function and I have given you example how you can use the function library. इतने functions आप उसको use करना चाहते हो, मैथ्स में भी कुछ sin theta, cos theta, whatever you want to give, you can calculate these value from MS Excel sheet from by using the insert function. Maths के use करना चाहते हो, then you will go on this math and trigonometric function. So this is the method how you can use this. I think this topic is clear to you. Now how we can use the function library. Now next two topic in your book is managing the worksheet and deleting a worksheet and changing the color of a sheet tab. Managing worksheet में first topic है how you can rename a worksheet. I think how you can rename a worksheet. This is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This is the name. Firstly, I am saving these. Now I am renaming this sheet 3. या sheet 1 में मैंने क्या यूज किया है, various function, तो मैं इसका नेम दे देती हूँ function. Right click on it, it will go you rename. Rename, I am giving function sheets. You can see there, its name is changed here. If I want to delete this sheet, मुझे ये sheet नहीं चाहिए, जैसे sheet 4 में मैंने कुछ काम किया है, and sheet 5 is just like a wastage of memory, so I want to delete this sheet. Then right click, go here, right click here, this dialog box will come here, click on this delete, permanently delete. Yes, now you can see function sheet, that was the sheet 1, then sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4 is showing here, sheet 5 is deleted from here. So by this method you can delete a worksheet. Next is how we can changing the color of a sheet tab. This is the method of changing a color of the sheet tab. Again go the sheet 3 पर जा रही हूँ, मैं function sheet पर जा रही हूँ, and I am right clicking on it and I am going to the tab color. As you will click on the tab color, various colors will be shown to you. Click on any color which you want for your tab. Click on this. Oh, I have given blue color ही दे दिया. Then take a new color. I will take green color, and you can see the function tab color, function sheet color is green shown here. This color is green. तो function जो भी sheet tab था उसका color हम यहाँ से change कर सकते हैं. So what we have discussed in today's session, functions. Functions में भी हमने दो category I have make it clear to you. Two categories I told you about the common function like the sum, average, maximum, minimum. Today's these function. And next I have told you how you can use the function library. Lot of functions which are inbuilt function by using this insert function. Yeah, by selecting any criteria which is according to your requirement. Next, how we can manage the worksheet, how we can rename a worksheet, how we can delete a worksheet, and how we can give a color to a sheet tab. So I think today's topic is clear to you and you all are familiar with this. Still, if you are having any problem, anytime you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will revert you back. And अब तक के लिए आप इसको रिवाइज कीजिए. हम नेक्स्ट सेशन के अंदर we will do the book work and the question answers of this chapter. Firstly, I will make it understandable to you about the book work and the question answer. Then you will write down that in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.